In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word's smart editing and AI features. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with the editor, Word's AI-powered writing assistant. You'll find it on the Home or Review tab. Open the editor pane and let it scan your document. It goes far beyond basic spell check, flagging advanced grammar issues and offering clear explanations so you understand the fix, not just the correction. As you work through suggestions, you'll also see refinements for conciseness, clarity, inclusivity, and formality. These help you tighten wordy phrases, untangle confusing sentences, and match your tone to the audience or situation. When you finish a check, you can view readability statistics to see metrics like the Flesch-Kincaid grade level. To enable that, go to File, Options, Proofing, and turn on Show Readability Statistics. It's especially useful for tailoring technical content or educational materials to the right reading level. Next, let Word do some of the heavy lifting for you with automated correction and completion. Head to File, Options, Proofing, and select Autocorrect options. Autocorrect and auto-format as you type silently fix common errors, such as converting "te" to "the", capitalizing the first letter of sentences, turning straight quotes into smart quotes, and replacing character sequences like a hyphen arrow into a proper symbol. If any automatic behavior isn't your preference, uncheck it in this dialog so Word fits the way you write. For content you reuse, set up auto text, also known as quick parts. Select the text, table, or image you want to reuse, then go to Insert, Quick Parts, Auto Text, and choose Save Selection to Auto Text Gallery. Later, type the entry's name and press Enter, if enabled, or pick it from the gallery to insert the entire block in one step. This reduces repetitive typing and keeps phrasing consistent across documents. When it's time to review, turn on Track Changes from the Review tab. Word will record insertions, deletions, and formatting adjustments so collaborators can accept or reject them one by one or in bulk. Use simple markup for a clean view or all markup to see every detail. For feedback, add a comment, and use an @mention to tag a colleague. They'll get an email notification and a clear action item, keeping conversations tied to the exact spot in the document. If you need to compare versions, choose Review, Compare, select the original and revised files, and Word will generate a new red line that highlights every difference automatically. Finally, speed up navigation with the navigation pane. Go to the View tab and enable Navigation pane. If you've applied heading styles, Word will build a clickable outline so you can jump instantly between sections. And when you reopen a file, watch for the resume reading prompt on the scroll bar to return to the exact place you left off. Practice these tools, and you'll edit faster, write clearer, and collaborate with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.